2012 Chevy Equinox has a bad knock. That's not a rod knock, it's coming from the top. I changed the timing chain because I had a timing cover leak. I took it apart, then I noticed there were shavings in there, one of the guides had the plastic on the top had wore away and it was touching metal to metal. That's where the shavings came from. So I put a new timing chain on it, dropped the oil pan, cleaned it all out, fresh oil, fresh oil filters, put it together, ran beautiful for about 10 miles, and then this knock started. It's the chain's brand new. I'm on time. It's from the top. So before I take it down again, I'm going to add I dropped a quart of oil. I'm going to add Marble Mystery Oil to it to see if it'll make the sound go away. Who knows? I'm still going to take it apart, but I'm just curious if it actually will help it. All right, that's what I'm going to do right now. I already took the oil out. I'm getting the Marble Mystery Oil. But I got the quart. I'm fine. I gotta shut the engine off. It's got too much pressure. It's too much pressure coming out. I should have a funnel. I don't have a funnel. I'll get it in there. Yeah, oh, it's this car. If I known all about all the problems, which I never did before I bought this car, I never would have bought it. This car is plagued with problems. The PVC valve, there's a hole in the intake manifold that gets clogged up from carbon. And I had to take that apart and unclog that hole. I found that hole clogged, and that's probably why the gasket on the timing cover popped. Normally it blows the main seal off by the transmission, but it didn't. It wasn't out. It was the timing cover gasket is what actually started leaking. Anyway, let's try it now. Bad lock, man. You know, it almost sounds like the chain is wrapping on something, but it's new. Timing's on, the timing sensor's on. It's just ironic. The thing is, when you're cold and you start it, the engine runs beautiful, no noise whatsoever. It sounds good, but as soon as it starts warming up, I get this tapping noise. Let it run for a little bit. I don't think it's going to make any difference. The oil's fresh, the oil filter's fresh. I don't notice any difference. Almost sounds like the high pressure fuel pump is making the noise, but it's not. It's actually a brand new pump. That is weird. I'm going to run for a little bit, and I don't think it helped. It's still there.